Hello everyone, welcome back again to SelfCAD channel with SelfCAD tips and tricks how to create multiple viewport. This feature is updated from SelfCAD, and to change into multiple viewport you can click settings. Next you can click workspace. In here we have this feature viewport, and if you change into two, the viewport will be divided into two options. Okay, these are two viewport. In maximum we can set into 4 pivot like this for 4 pivot, and you also can change to 3 pivot in here. You can click OK to apply this pivot. The next we also can change like this pivot into right view. You can zoom in and you can set again into orthographic projection. You also can do this same step in this pivot. We can change to top view and then use this orthographic projection. So if we create 3D models or editing these box objects in this viewport, like I will add add the tiles in here, right again at this point, the other viewport will be updated. You can see, you can click apply. The next we can set fast editing like in here, and you can use extrusion command to extrude. So it will be very easy for you to view in the top view and a view in a rect view in the same time when editing 3D models. This feature will be helpful for you to modeling with SelfCAD. Okay, enough today for SelfCAD tips and tricks how to create a multiple viewports. If you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.